Hey, just another great day out here in Western Massachusetts. We got a 50-degree day, so I had been doing a lot of work on the Jeep. So I said, hey, let's take it down a dirt road that got some snow on it. And quite honestly, I didn't expect it to be as slick as it was. So there's 10, 12 inches of snow out there in Western Massachusetts right now. And it's pretty difficult to wheel in. I wasn't aired down. That probably would have helped me out a lot, but it was basically just a little short run out in the woods to test everything out, the transfer case, the differentials, everything. I had changed all my fluids, and the Jeep drove perfectly. So I got Recon 1 back at the barn, and I look forward to my next Jeep adventure. All right, Recon Jeeper out. All right, just, I had done a lot of work on the Jeep, so I said, why don't I take her in the woods a little bit? I'm not going far, just a little test run, got her in 4 low, and quite honestly, there's still 10 inches of snow out here in Western Massachusetts. It's slippery, I can feel it. I'm not aired down, but I am in 4 low, and I do have the lockers on, only because I was just sliding all over the place. And now I got nice control. I'm gonna go up here a little ways. There's an area where I can turn around, but I am surprised how much snow there is out here still. Maybe I should have aired down. Very slippery snow. It's because it's so soft now, because it's 50 degrees out. Well, boys, I got to tell you, I thought this was going to be a simple little test drive. Next thing you know, I'm in 12 inches of snow with wet mud underneath it. You can see I just turned around right there. So yeah, yeah, I got about a half a mile and then I'll be back on the road, so I should be fine now. But yeah, I just had the itch, you know, wanted to take the Jeep out. It's such a nice day. All right, my brothers. I really didn't expect this as I didn't air down. Again, I just thought I was gonna bop in here and bop out, but just wanted to test the Jeep out, the transfer case, everything. I did so much different maintenance on it this week, so just wanted to get everything going and make sure things are okay. So that's what's going on.